if you own Baba shares, yeah, we're in deep trouble. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Gav. We're talking about personal finance and investing. Just a full disclosure, I'm not a professional, so if you're looking for professional advice or personal finance advice, I'm not your guy. So in this video, we're going to talk about Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA or Baba. So today, today is the 24th of December. It's the Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to all of you, those who celebrate it. But today, I just want to break the news that I'm using people right now, and I just check because I have alerts on the few. I have few shares of Alibaba in my Vanguard, and this thing is scary. So today, it closed at 222, and the points decreased by 34 dollars and 18 cents. It was down 13.34%. Now after hours is 221.87 and down by 0.06%. So just a recap, it closed at Alibaba closed at 222. It was down by 13.34%, and that is 34.18%. And that thing is scary. The reason why, what triggered all of this, is Chinese government is investigating the e-commerce giant for antitrust issues. That's not gonna be good for the company in the short term. But my take on it is that if you own Baba shares right now, just like myself, don't sell because you're gonna sell them at the very low, and that's a bad strategy. What I suggest for you to do is, again, this is not financial advice. This is me giving myself an advice to make the best financial decision. If you own shares, just like myself, hold it out. Let it sort it out. Don't sell at the low because it's gonna go back up in no time. For the short term, this is gonna be a bumpy road for CEO Jack Ma and the company Alibaba. But I suggest that you hold out the shares, and if you are hesitant in investing in Chinese stocks, I'd sell when it comes back up. So I'm for free market. I like Alibaba because this is the Amazon of China. But with all of these trust issues, antitrust issues, and all the issues that the company is facing, I'm gonna not add more shares. I'm gonna keep my shares where they are, and I'm just gonna see where the company is gonna go. But with all of this news right here, right there, it says Chinese government is investigating Baba for antitrust issues, has spilled over to shares of SoftBank, the Japanese-based holding company that's Alibaba's investors. If you own Alibaba shares right now, that you hold it out. If you are hesitant in investing in such stocks, wait it out and let it go up, and then go from there. You can either sell or hold, whatever you want to do. But for me, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to sell at the low right now because I own a few shares, not a lot. I just maybe around 5 or 10. What's going to happen? But if you own Baba shares, yeah, we're in deep trouble at the moment. Short term, it's going to be bumpy ride, but for long term, I do believe that Jack Ma is going to come out of this, and we'll see. And with that being said, if you have any questions, comments, comment down below. Let me know if you own Baba shares, and let me know your plans, if you're gonna hold or sell. And I'll tell you right now, the bad strategy is sell low, and if you bought high, that's just a stupid strategy. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.